Hello everyone, this is my system test. Over here we have a first gen AS and our guest of honor. Anyone want to tag their socials?
Hello. I am Bozo.
Alright. I don't know if Bozo's your real YouTube name, but I guess go subscribe to him.
It is Bozo. I have no YouTube.
Oh, then subscribe to him in spirit then. And then over here we have a Gentex Commander 2. It's mounted on the wall in this room. There's the wire. And then there's the wire again, which goes above that, all the way to our pull station and batteries. And our pull station here is a Firelight BG12 PDI. It was addressable, but I converted it to conventional because addressable is confusing. Scheiße. I'm close. That's terrible. Anyway, let's pull the alarm. So there we go. This is the system test pilot with our guests of honor.
Hello?
Hey Will, you're on YouTube. Oh, Dylan has his own fire alarms.
I have my own. I don't have my own.
Relay's so clicky, it's actually making noise on the door.
Look, I can hear it through the call. Yeah, he has a panel. I wish I had a panel. I just have this. Although, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. We're gonna have a panel eventually. So yeah, that was our system test. And yeah, I hope to see more.